Are you looking for the best cordless drills? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best cordless drills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DeWalt DCD800E220V Max XR Cordless Drill. The DeWalt DCD800E220V test impressed us on every single front. It's incredibly powerful, feels great in the hand, and nothing we threw at it would slow it down. We mean it. While other drills struggled through the driving test and were bogged down by the demanding drill test, the DeWalt didn't break a sweat. It flew through the drilling test, drilling 54 holes before its 1.7 Ah 20V battery died. Not once did it get warm or slow down. During the screw driving test, it quickly drove 203-inch screws and still had 2/3 bars illuminated on the battery meter with no sign of slowing down. The LED light was miles better than any other drill we tested. First, it was the only light with a 3-way adjustable position, allowing you to aim it directly upward at the bit, straight forward or in between. Second, it was the only multifunctional LED light, featuring an off position, a standard position and a 20 minutes position, which brightens the light significantly and keeps it shining for 20 full minutes. This was very helpful for projects like changing lawnmower blades and adjusting the cabinet door, because we could set the drill to the side as a work light and adjust the brightness and position to illuminate the area. Lastly, this DeWalt drill was the most comfortable, balanced drill to hold throughout all the testing. The ergonomics of the handle are far better engineered than the competition, making it easy to hold for any hand size. We looked for bad things to say about the DeWalt DCD800E2 and had difficulty finding any with the drill itself. However, the included bag could be bigger and better. We would have liked to have seen a hard case, and it isn't the cheapest drill on the list. Voltage: 20V. Amp hours: 1.7 Ah. Max chuck size: 1/2 inch. Weight: 3.5 pounds. Number 2. DeWalt DCD701F2 XTREME 12V Max Cordless Drill. The DeWalt DCD701F2 12V Max is the ultimate lightweight drill. Out of all the smaller sized 12V drills tested, this was our favorite. Much like its 20V big brother at the top of our list, the DeWalt 12V is powerful and extremely ergonomic and outperformed every drill in its class. In fact, it's hard to tell the two DeWalts apart until you set them side by side and see just how much smaller the 12V is. At under 2.5 pounds, we're grabbing this drill for any task that doesn't require the power of a larger 18V or 20V drill. However, even with a 12V power source, this drill proved that it could compete with the big guys. In the drilling test, it was able to drill 34 1¼ holes, only 20 less than the larger DeWalt. In the screw driving test, it drove 204 3-inch screws. This kind of power is more than enough to last through most real-world projects. If you don't need the power of a larger drill, you can't go wrong with the DeWalt 12V. Plus, its smaller frame and weight made it a dream to hold in every scenario. Much like the DeWalt 20V, the small DeWalt's ergonomic handle was incomparably better and more comfortable than its direct competition. Voltage: 12V. Amp hours: 2 Ah. Max chuck size: 3/8 inch. Weight: 2.39 pounds. Number 3. BOSCH PS31-2A12V Max Cordless Drill. The BOSCH PS31-2A12V is a no-fuss drill that's perfect for knocking out general home maintenance and light DIY projects. It's not the fastest or most powerful drill on this list, but it's not trying to be and isn't priced as if it is. If you're looking for comfort and a drill you can use all day, you may want to spring for the DeWalt 12V instead. Because the battery slides up into the handle of the BOSCH, the handle is much thicker than that of the DeWalt 12V, which makes it uncomfortable to hold after prolonged use. Voltage: 12V. Amp hours: 2 Ah. Max chuck size: 3/8 inch. Weight: 2.15 pounds. Number 4. Makita XPH12 LXT18V Cordless Drill. The Makita XPH12 isn't messing around. This isn't your average homeowner-grade drill. It's a professional, ultra-high-quality drill that's meant to be used all day long for the most demanding jobs. This Makita kit comes with both an 18V cordless drill/driver and an impact driver, plus two 4.0Ah batteries and a charger. Everything is stowed in a luxurious, oversized zipper bag with plenty of room and pockets to add tools and accessories inside. In both the drilling and driving test, the Makita simply couldn't be stopped. It took a staggering 122 1¼ holes drilled to kill the massive battery, which was more than double that of the DeWalt 20V. When it came time to perform the screw driving test, the Makita had 4/4 bars illuminated on the battery meter after driving 203-inch screws. We wouldn't be surprised at all if it had another 300 to 400 screws in it. The Makita was also the sole drill to have a hammer drill function. To test this alongside the other drills, we drilled through a concrete block with a masonry bit. While every drill eventually made its way through the concrete block, the Makita's hammer drill function allowed it to fly through the block as if it were drilling wood. Voltage: 18V. Amp hours: 4Ah. Max chuck size: 1/2 inch. Weight: 4 pounds. Number 5. RYOBI 1 Plus HP 18V Brushless Compact 1/2 inch Drill/Driver Kit. The RYOBI 1 Plus HP 18V Brushless Compact Drill/Driver is a lightweight yet powerful drill designed for DIYers, homeowners, and light-duty professionals. With a brushless motor, compact design, and two 1.5Ah batteries included, it offers excellent value for those who need a reliable drill without breaking the bank. Key features and performance: 18V 1 Plus HP brushless motor, more efficient than brushed models, offering longer battery life, better durability, and improved performance. Compact and lightweight, at only 6.4 inches long and around 2.3 pounds, it's ideal for tight spaces and overhead work. 1/2 inch keyless chuck allows for quick and easy bit changes while providing a strong grip on drill bits. 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450 and 0 to 1700 RPM, offers the flexibility needed for both precision screw driving and high-speed drilling. LED work light, positioned near the chuck for better visibility in dark spaces. 350 Nlb torque, delivers solid power for wood, plastic, and light metal drilling, but isn't designed for heavy-duty applications like masonry. Includes two 1.5Ah batteries and charger. Unlike many tool-only purchases, this kit comes ready to go, so you don't need to buy batteries separately. Carrying bag included, helps keep everything organized for portability.